Have you ever typed a prompt into an AI image generator and ended up with a completely different image from what you imagined? Or maybe your AI images look unrealistic, low quality, or just wrong. Here is the truth. The problem isn't the AI, it's the prompt. In today's video, I will show you how to write good AI prompts that generate better results, more professional images every single time. My name is Josephine, and on this channel, I teach beginners how to use AI step by step. If you are ready to improve your AI images, let's get started. What is prompt? A prompt is simply the instruction you give to AI. Think of it as giving direction to a person. If your directions are clear, you get a better result. If they are not clear, the AI has to guess what you want. Every good AI prompt has 4 important key parts. I use a simple formula that anyone can remember. I call it SDSQ. The first S stands for subject. Start by saying exactly what you want. Example, don't say a woman. It will just generate random woman. Rather, be more specific by saying African businesswoman teaching AI. Number 2, details. Now, add details. What is the person wearing? Where are they? What are they doing? The more helpful detail you give, the better the AI understand your idea. Example, wearing blue blazer, standing in a futuristic technology classroom with holographic screen. Number 3, style. Tell the AI the style you want. It is ultra-realistic, anime, Pixar, 3D, watercolor. Example, ultra-realistic, cinematic. Number 4, quality. Finally, tell the AI the quality you want. Example, highly detailed, professional lighting, sharp focus, or 8K. Let's combine all 4 parts into one complete prompt. An African woman teaching AI in a futuristic technology classroom, wearing a blue blazer, standing beside holographic screen, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, highly detailed, professional photographer, 8K, sharp focus. Did you see? That's the image I use in teaching this AI. Try this prompt on your phone and share your results in the comments. And again, before we go, here are 3 mistakes every beginner used to make. Using only 1 or 2 words, don't do it. Forgetting to describe the scene, don't do it. Forgetting to specify the style and quality. Now you know how to write better AI prompts. In the next lesson, we will use this prompt to create stunning AI image using only smartphone. If this video helped you, subscribe to Josephine AI and let me know in the comments what type of AI image you would like me to create next. You are welcome.